Janai Jingied Janai Basisha. Okay, hello Megalia Khasi people, Kumno Pelong Paralog, your African boy, back again, Gabs Gabi. So today we are going to check one new Khasi song here by the title JINGIEID JANAI. We have MedaAihun and Beamy. Okay, sorry if in case I pronounce your name wrongly, because you know I'm also still learning Khasi, and Khasi names are also some are little difficult to pronounce. So we are going to check it out. Don't forget, subscribe, stay tuned, guys, and let's go. We have Amos Studio. JINGIEID JANAI. What is Janai mean, guys? There is no subtitle, guys. Yay, do it, show them. They're so good in dancing. I think it rained there. JINGIEID JANAI Basisha. JINGIEID Shisha by JINGIEID Manai. Yo, ladies. So you don't have boys to dance here, only ladies. But they are so good in dancing. Show them. Mensim jonga asap ikapi JINGIEID JANAI Basisha. Check it, ladies. Okay, now it's solo time. Let's go solo. Yes, let's flex, baby girl. Time to flex. JINGIEID JANAI Bait yakas no bawat lekai. JINGIEID Shisha, JINGIEID Banela. It's like JINGIEID Banai and JINGIEID Shisha. Kakashi. Okay, so today I learned like two new Khasi words. It's JINGIEID JANAI and JINGIEID Basisha. So just tell me, it's like JINGIEID, I think it's like my love. Yeah, like my love, right? So I just want to know the difference between JINGIEID Banai and JINGIEID Basisha. So coming to the music video, like it's so nice. I just love the quality. Like Amos Studio, guys, he really gave a good quality and good production. Like I just love. It was so clear. Like the quality is so good of the music, and the song, like the flow, the beat is super amazing. And coming to the dancers, guys, let me not forget them also. Because of them, they made the music to be more beautiful, guys. Those ladies, they are so good in dancing, especially the front two one guys. They really did the best. In general, all of them, they were also doing great, and it's amazing something to know. Just let me know who is the singer of this song, because it's my first time singing that boy, the actor. But for the actress, I think I saw like she's known in Shillong or in Meghalaya. I think there is some videos previous back I used to see her also acting there. So she's good also in acting, and all the best for the team, guys. Love from Africa. Don't forget, subscribe, stay tuned because this channel is for you, for my Jingied Janai and my Jingied Bashisha. Club.